We are thrilled to announce that our complete salon build is finally complete, though it was no easy feat, taking longer than expected and costing more than we initially anticipated. The end result is nothing short of great, just as we envisioned. We have also created a slideshow capturing the progress of the project from the start of construction to 75% completion, which provides a visual representation of the work that had went into the project to that point. Additionally, we have a playlist of time-lapse videos showcasing the complete build process in the playlist entitled Salon Build. Our son Brian played a significant role in the project before having to step back near the end to start a new project of building a pool and landscaping the backyard before he starts cosmetology school. He gained invaluable experience working alongside us. My husband mentioned that he's not particularly fond of assembling furniture. He finds the process to be time-consuming, often requiring multiple attempts to get everything just right. As for the brown salon station, he noted that it wasn't too challenging, although he did have to take it apart twice. However, the sink proved to be a much more difficult task, as the instructions provided were rather vague. Despite this setback, my husband worked through trial and error until he was able to successfully complete the assembly. So that's our Persian cat, Norma. She's 11 years and 7 months old, and we know her exact age because she was born on 12/12/2012. That in itself is pretty cool. Norma's super nosy. She wants to know what's going on all the time. I think she's trying to make up for the fact that she doesn't have a nose. But she's got a huge tongue and she can lick her own eyeball. I mean, now that's super impressive. Now I know she's just a cat, but to us, she's family. We even have birthday celebrations for her. But the funny thing is, she will not eat cake, so we will eat it for her. But you know what she does love? Mayonnaise. We plop a heaping spoonful on a dish and she goes to town. We don't buy her any presents or anything because she's just a cat. Currently, my son is hard at work on a new project. He's digging a hole for a pool. Given that we live in Arizona, a state known for its hot and dry weather, having a pool is a must for many homeowners. After receiving a quote from a professional pool builder in the area, we were shocked to discover that the cost for installation would be a whopping $60,000. That's a significant amount of money, and while we certainly value the benefits of having a pool, we knew that we would have to find an alternative solution. With that in mind, we set ourselves a goal to build a pool, landscape the surrounding area, and install pavers for less than 20% of the original quote. While it may seem like an ambitious goal, we're determined to make it happen. By doing the work ourselves and utilizing cost-effective materials, we're confident that we can create a beautiful and functional pool area that meets our needs and stays within our budget. Of course, taking on such a big project is not without its challenges. There's a lot of hard work that goes into digging the hole, installing the pool, and building out the surrounding area. But with careful planning and attention to detail, we're confident that we can create a backyard oasis that is good enough. While working on the project, we encountered a few hiccups along the way. For instance, we went to Home Depot to buy wood for a shelf to store my nail supplies. My husband found the perfect boards and had them cut, but when he got to the register, he was shocked to find out that the price was per foot, not per board. Despite the mistake, we decided to pay for the wood anyway. Unfortunately, the shelf ended up costing us $300, which was far more than we had initially budgeted for. It was a costly mistake, but we learned a valuable lesson about the importance of double-checking prices before making a purchase. Meanwhile, I work 76 hours every other week at the pharmacy so I can schedule clients on my weeks off and to help Brian advance his knowledge and skills in cosmetology. I'm proud to see how quickly he's advancing in this field. Come and see our new salon, and you'll be greeted by an Alexia surround sound radio, floors that almost look like wood, and walls made of wood that look like floors. Strategically placed lights illuminate every corner of the salon, highlighting the paint and pictures that hide any construction mistakes. But that's enough about that. The build was challenging, from ordering and shipping materials to dealing with delays and working with limited tools. My husband's nicest tool is a drill being held together with tape. I tell him to get good tools, but he says they are too expensive. Despite this, we managed to finish the project not too far over budget of $2,700. Not bad considering what we would have paid a builder.
Wait for the flag. It's so cold.
Can I try filming with that camera?
This one's like kind of hard.
Really? Or should I just use my phone for the...
Yeah, the phone is easier. There, you get there.
No, my mom said I can't loan nails right away. I gotta loan hair first.
Mm-hmm.
And then I loan.
Yeah.
The most important thing is mastering the whatever you're doing, I guess. Because it's important. That camera probably does good video.
Mm. Yeah, those good video, but it's very, very hard to work.
Thank you for joining us on this journey as we transformed our empty garage into a beautiful and functional place for our clients. It's been an exciting and challenging process, but we're thrilled with the results. We hope that this video has inspired you to take on your own renovation projects and to see the potential in even the most empty space. Remember, with a little creativity, hard work, and some help from people you trust, you can bring your design dreams to life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.